AI is already changing businesses and how they work completely. 2025 is going to be the year of AI, and real estate, being one of the biggest industries, is going to be affected by AI the most. And if you have clicked on this video, you're already ahead of 90% of the business owners already, because people are still doubting AI. Meanwhile, you understand the potential of AI, and obviously, you want to implement it inside your real estate business. So here are the three use cases or three ways you can implement AI inside your real estate business to take it to the next level. Now before jumping right into the video, let's understand why AI and how can it help. About 3 months ago, I shifted to this new country and finding an apartment over here was very difficult for me. And that's the case with almost every real estate website because customers are thrown into this vast sea of options and you just have to figure everything out on your own. There's no one to guide you, there's no one to perfectly show you what apartment suits your budget and your location the best. And which obviously means bad customer experience. And I feel that customer experience is a thing that's most overlooked upon. The more time a customer spends on your website, the more are the chances that he or she is going to buy from you. That's the problem number one. Now coming on to the problem number two, manually getting back to each leads. I had to wait 3 to 4 days to hear back from these real estate companies. Now take a second, think about your company. How long do you take to get back to each lead? A few hours, a few days? The more time you give each lead to explore other options, the lesser are the chances that you get that deal. That obviously means you're leaving a lot of money on the table. Along with leaving a lot of money on the table, you're also wasting a lot of time running behind these leads. Now, all these problems that I talked about can easily be solved by AI. Imagine having a AI staff member sitting inside your website and talking to each and every customer that visits your website. It understands the requirements of the customer, obviously, and recommends the best property according to their budget and their location, which means it's enhancing the customer experience. And like I said before, the more time a customer spends on your website, the more are the chances that you get the deal. AI can also follow up on every read and save you time so that you can focus on making money. Before moving on, if you feel that any of the systems that we're going to talk about in this video today is going to be valuable for your real estate company and you want it personally tailor-made for you, feel free to book in a call with me using the first link in the description. Now let's take two similar companies. There's your real estate company that's stuck at 5 to 6 figures a month, while there's this bigger real estate company that's doing 6 to 7 figures a month. And by similar, what I mean is if they have 50 properties on listing, even you have 50 properties on listing. If they generate 100 leads a day, even you are generating 100 leads a day. So why is it that you are stuck at 5 to 6 figures a month while they are doing 6 to 7 figures a month? What's the difference? Think about it. The difference is this bigger real estate company is leveraging AI to automate and streamline their processes. So how can you do the same? Here are the three ways AI can help you grow your business to that 6 to 7 figures a month mark. A website chatbot. Guys, it can't get easier than this. If you are not already using this, you are behind 50% of the real estate companies already. And I'm not talking about any chatbot that you can find off Google for like $20 a month. I'm talking about a properly trained chatbot that recommends property according to the requirement of the customers. It is also connected with Google Maps so that it knows the surrounding of each and every property. It's like having a staff member inside your website that's on steroids that knows everything around a property. Now, if a person wants a gym near his apartment or near his property, this chatbot can be like, yo, there's a gym 150 meters away. There's a supermarket 50 meters away. There's a restaurant about 100 meters away. And obviously, this means enhancing the customer experience that obviously relates to them buying off your website. This also acts like a lead magnet. So before starting every interaction, before starting every conversation, it asks for name, your email, your number, and which can be used for future users obviously. So how is it made? It's very basic integration, but the best results. The bot is made using voice flow. Oops, what's that? Oh, yeah. The bot is made using voice flow, and then the integration is done using Zapier. Like I said, it's very basic integration but will provide the best results. The second system we're going to talk about today is a WhatsApp bot. Now, every real estate company is generating leads, hundreds and hundreds of leads every day. But what about following those leads up on time? Now, what this bot does is it follows up on every lead on WhatsApp or on SMS according to the number and the location. It qualifies the leads. It understands what the lead wants, it understands their requirements and gives them the best property, obviously for them according to their budget and their location. It books in the meeting with one of your realtors and saves you a lot of time. Basically automating 40% of what a real estate business is, following up on leads, qualifying them and booking in the meetings. And again, very basic integration. It is made using WordPress and the integrations are done using Zapier. Third system that we're going to cover today is an AI powered lead generation and management system. This is basically a one-stop shop. It includes the website chatbot, it includes the WhatsApp bot, it includes Instagram automation, and it also includes email automation. So let's suppose a customer goes onto your website, there's a bot to handle him. Let's suppose a customer texts you on WhatsApp, there's a bot to handle him. Let's suppose a customer texts you on Instagram, there's a bot to handle that as well. And let's suppose you get emails, there's a bot to handle that as well. This system will automate 70% of your business. And even the unqualified leads. Let's suppose a person is not ready to buy today but will be ready in like 6 months. We are not gonna let him go. We're gonna keep hitting up with emails. We're gonna keep hitting up with, yo, we still have your apartment ready. It's perfect for you. So that when he has the money or when he is in the financial condition to buy the apartment, he's gonna come to us. And that unqualified lead is now a warm lead. This will, like I said, this will automate, like I said, this will automate 70% of your business and you will never miss a lead and obviously then you will never miss a sale. So if you have this system in place, all you need is 10 to 15 best realtors whose only focus is to close those deals because everything else is managed by this system. How is it made? It's made using make.com, that is used for email automation, again voice flow for the bot, and Zapier to integrate everything together. Now before signing off, I'm going to tell you, this is not the time to doubt AI. This is not the time to be skeptical. I'm sorry, I've had a very long day. But yeah, this is not the time to doubt AI. This is the time to invest in AI. This is the time to take your business to the next level. This is the time to invest inside your business. So don't get left behind. Use AI today and take your business to the next level. If you feel that any of these systems that I talked about today is going to be valuable for your real estate company and you want it personalized and tailor-made for you, feel free to book in a call with me and I hope to see you there.